Politica all the way. Politica all the way. Politica all the way.
Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, those watching all over the world, magandang buhay po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Jojo A. And ito po ang Politika All the Way. Lagi nyo kaming inaabutan ng nagkwentuhan na bago magsimula yung ating programa. Because I always, it's always refreshing to have conversations na talagang real and true. Hindi yung medyo hintayin natin yung mga ganyan. Well, and this is actually one of those interviews also and talks, no, and conversations with our guest, our special guest today. Ngayon po ay okay, babasahin ko muna yung mga ano niya, no. She is from General Santos. She is an anti-DDS personality and vlogger, okay? In today's parlance, yan. She's she works from home, person siya, and she is an English instructor to Asian learners. But most importantly, I think the best way to to describe her is use her name, no? She's both charming and explosive at the same time. Lovely Granada. Lovely.
Hello po.
Hello.
It's an honor to be here.
Oh, the pleasure and honors or all ours kasi lagi ka nasa nasa thread ko. Lagi ko kaya even prior to our inviting you, talagang pinag-uusapan na namin, nire-request ka na namin. Ito very quickly lang ito, no. I admire the way you do your interviews kasi yung iba nakikita ko nire-rage bait ka. Alam mo yun, with misinformation, nakikita ko yung ibang mga interviewer, tapos ikaw, okay, but I think, you disagree without being disagreeable, and it's admirable, really.
Salamat po.
Oo, kaya gano'n. So, how have you been? How is all this turning out for you or happening for you now? Everything's, you're all over, internet, TV, di ba?
Siguro as someone working from home na alam mo yun, may mga gawaing bahay din. So medyo hindi siya nagsisink in sa akin eh. Saka lang nagsisink in sa akin kapag when I'm on social media and nakikita ko, uy, ako to. And then there's a lot of bashing. Tapos, syempre, nadadamay yung pamilya ko and all that. Pero kasi, may hiding place.
May hiding place ka.
May hiding place
ako. May sweet, safe place ka.
Oo. So, parang nararamdaman ko yung bashing, yung parang full force attack. Pero, I'm okay.
You're okay.
I'm okay. Na-overwhelm lang kasi kailangan ko i-schedule yung mga interviews and that. So, medyo syempre, yung free time ko, nababawasan din. Pero I'm thankful kasi, syempre, napupush forward din yung yung gusto nating sabihin at gusto nating iparating sa tao.
And there's so many things that you want to say, no? Especially now, ang dami nilang binabato sa'yo. Do they get personal? Like,
yeah.
How do they get personal?
Sobrang Rumi. Like, okay, for example, there's this Eloy Bugris na content creator. Actually, ang weird kasi, siya pag may mga contents ako, tinatag siya, pero hindi ko nakiklik yung tag. So, I was like, did this person block me? So, pinahanap ko sa friend ko, bigyan mo nga ako ng official account nitong, itong Eloy Bugris na to. Hindi ko maklik. So, blinak ako. Pero so, hindi ko makita yung mga contents niya. Pero yung mga contents niya na binabash ako, so, pinapasa lang sa akin. So, talagang ang dumi. Ang baboy ng mga kwento. Yes. So, they would like put in a little fact. Halimbawa, kung saan ako nag-aral, let's say, or kung may personality, like say ex ko or dati kong boss. So, they would put in that little fact and then embento ng maruming kwento.
Around it.
Yes. And parang pinapalabas na, ganito siya dati, ganito. Parang may informant na nagpasa, tapos babasahin niya online, ganyan. So, syempre, sa mga nakakakilala sa akin talaga, alam nila na
hindi totoo yun,
hindi totoo at binababoy lang ako. Pati yung nanay ko. So, pati yung nanay ko
below
na...
the, because I understand. I know that your mom passed on. Wow. I never knew that about that. Kasi ako, ang tendency ko kasi is hindi ko nabasahin kung masyadong, alam mo, pag nakita ko, hindi ko na, ano,
Mm.
kaya lang, again, to be very candid with you, the reason why I listen to you is because you have a pleasant face. Pag dumadaan sa thread ko,
Pleasant face for you, pero sa
Tama.
mga DDS, hindi.
Hindi. Because, kasi antay sa kanila. Ako naman, pag nakikita ko yung, bakit nga gano'n? No? I mean, no offense naman, if you find it offensive din sa ating mga ibang ano. Bakit? Kasi parang nakita ko nga, parang pagka nagdi-DDS vlogger nga naman,
Mhm.
kasi lagi sinasabi, ano na, laging galit, laging
Mm.
hindi pleasant.
Mm.
Parang yung mga nilalagpasan ko, halos puro sila nga eh. I mean, I hope you, baka mabash din ako nito.
Mm.
Pero ba't pag yung hindi naman ano, you look pleasant. Parang you're calm and ano, sober. Di ba? Does that constitute truthfulness? Ano ba yan?
What do you mean po? Pag mga, ano,
Pag di ba, pag DDS, lagi sinasabi, bakit lagi kayong galit? Lagi kayong paninira, lagi kayong, pero pagka ano, laging, pagka hindi DDS, laging, ano ba kayo? You know, alam mo yung mas pleasant. Nakikita ko lang naman, no? Wag nun yun na ako i-bash. Di ba?
oo nga, lagi silang galit. Kung hindi naman laging galit, ano, tawag na to, laging nagmumura, babalahura, ang pangit-pangit mo, gano'n.
They get to be personal. Ganon nangyayari. They don't, hindi na nawawala na yung issue, eh, no? Okay, let's not talk about muna yung mga ganyan. Let's talk about more pleasant. Let's talk about you. You know, what I hope I will not sound impolite, but you said it's not impolite in some cultures. But how old are you now?
I'm 36.
36. But you don't look it,
Millennial.
ha?
Oh?
Millennial na millennial.
Yes, millennial.
Oh.
Born in the 90s.
Born in the 90s, ha?
Oo.
But not the typical millennial. Are you? Kasi di ba, sorry, sabi lang, millennial daw medyo,
Ano ba?
hindi tawag dito. They don't stay put. You're always here and there. And,
Oh, parang here and
aligaga. Di ba?
I
Hindi,
know,
hindi,
ayoko
di ba?
ayoko ng ganon. Ano naman ako? Easygoing and
Easygoing.
relaxed.
You're relaxed.
Oo.
Which should be. No?
Oo.
Yun naman ang strength ng millennial. Eh. You have the youthfulness and the time that's working for you. And you're married.
Yes po.
How many kids do you have?
We have 3 cats.
3 cats.
Yes
Oh,
po.
so you're a cat lover. Galing, ha?
Yes.
Ano yan? Binili niyo? Anong klaseng cats do you have? What do you have?
Well, we rescue.
Oh.
3 rescued cats. Actually, yung isa, yung una, adopted kasi parang pinamigay. Tapos, syempre, kumuha yung husband. Hindi na nga siya nagpaalam. At first, sabi ko, parang, do we need? Kasi parang responsibility yun eh. I
Yeah.
was not confident. After losing our dog, dati pa,
That's so
parang
hard.
ayoko na ma-attach.
Mm.
So, parang hindi na kailangan. Pero sabi, subukan mo lang. Kasi nakikita niya ako na pag may nadadaan ng pusa, pinapakain ko. So, parang naging ano siya, parang okay, sige, bigyan ko to ng pusa. Ganon. So, yun na, sunod-sunod na. I began picking up cats.
Wow. You know, in a different language, that when you say picking up cats, that's a different context.
Oh. Sorry.
No, I'm just kidding. And your husband, what does he do?
May kami, electronic shop sa baba ng building namin. Hindi ko na
okay.
sasabihin kung saan.
Oo, kasi baka mamaya, ma'am, marami mong papagawa. At baka magmura-mura din. Magagawa sila. No? And how is he now with all this? Yung nangyayari ngayon, how is he with you? Na, you know, you're getting the bashing also, of course. But you have, apart from the praises, okay, and well-embraced yan. Pero yung mga bashing, how does he...
Hindi kasi siya ma-Facebook talaga. Hindi siya, so hindi niya masyadong nararamdaman. Although, pag nag-Facebook siya, parang, uy, ikaw to. So, well, he knows that I get a lot of bashing kasi napag-uusapan naman namin sa bahay. But, you know, he's concerned about our safety. Tapos, pero above all these, proud daw talaga siya.
Talaga?
He is proud and sabi niya nakakahawa daw yung pagmamahal ko sa Pilipinas. Actually, dati pag nagjo-join ako ng mga rallies, sabi ko, ako lang mag-isa. Kasi syempre, dapat may maiwan sa pusa. So sabi niya,
Okay.
sabi niya, hindi, sasama ako.
Mhm.
Oh, anong gagawin mo? Yung Koreano ka, Korean kasi siya.
He's
He is Korean,
Korean.
yeah.
Okay,
Oo.
okay.
Tapos basta syempre may mga performances, 'di ba?
Mhm,
Tapos kinakanta yung Lupang
mhm.
Hinirang. Naiyak siya.
Talaga?
Naiyak siya. So, namuo yung luha niya. So,
Mhm.
mahal niya ang Pilipinas.
Oh, that's good.
Mm,
Oh,
mm.
actually, if my memory serves me right, I think it was a Korean. It happened in Korea, yung
Mm.
actual love of country. That's why they
Yes.
were
Yes.
they became very successful again, di ba? That's
Yes.
a Korean
Mm-mm.
history,
Mm-mm.
di
Sabi
ba?
niya pa nga, he recalled na there were years na yung Pilipinas ang tumutulong daw
Mm.
sa Korea.
Mm.
Pero looking at the Philippines now, naaawa daw siya.
Oh,
Oo.
actually, that's what we need.
Mm.
We need actually the way the Koreans did it, the
Yeah.
genuine love of country and genuine
Mm.
love of people.
Mm-mm.
Kasi yung if not yung mga nanonood sa amin, yung pinag-uusapan namin ni Lovely Lito is yung storya nung Korean Prime Minister before. I think, di ba, it was Korean yata yun, di ba?
Ang
Do you know that?
alin po?
Yung merong storya nun, I know if it's Korean, but I
Mm-mm.
think, I remember it was, the Korean Prime Minister or whoever, he was crying to his people, sige, give me a little time, ganyan, I will help you, ganyan, ganyan. And then it was genuine concern for everyone and for the country. And
Yun ba yung
many decades
nag-ambag-ambag
yes,
sila ng
nag-ambag-ambag.
gold?
Oo, parang ganon.
Yung IMF crisis
Oh, yung ba
nila.
yan? Oh,
Yun.
see,
Oo.
you have a better memory than I do. And it was Korea, tama ba?
Yeah, it was
Oh,
Korea.
diba? Apart from the K-pop.
Ah.
Yes,
Ah.
O siguro, K-pop, gwapo siguro yung asawa mo. Or is that what you tell him?
Well, I find him pleasant and good looking.
I think that's that.
Pleasant and good looking.
Good girl, of
Pero
course.
ano siya, he looks kind.
He's mukhang mabait.
Oo,
Oo, mabait.
oo.
How did you meet? I mean, I'm just,
Kasi before, trainer ako ng mga English teachers sa isang company, actually China-based company, ESL, and then advertising company naman siya. And so like we collaborated. So kinontak, parang ako yung pinadala doon. So ayun na, text, date.
na. And then pero he wasn't based in the Philippines before.
He was based,
here na.
yes.
Okay.
Mm-mm.
So halos na rin niya. He has embraced also yung the culture here.
Actually, mas
everything.
matagal siya dito sa Maynila kaysa sa akin.
Talaga?
So, mas kilala niya ang Metro Manila kaysa sa akin.
But before Metro Manila, you were from Jensan talaga?
Yes po. Butuan and Jensan. So, I spent years in Butuan from birth to grade 5 and then grade 6 to university, Jensan.
Makasabot ka pa?
Siyempre.
Makasabot ka pa ng
Makasabot pa.
ano bang salta doon? Ilonggo ba? Ilonggo, no?
Halo-halo sa Jensan. May
Mm.
Ilonggo, may may Tausug, may
Tausug.
mga Muslim languages. Pero syempre, hindi ko na masyadong maintindihan yun. Pero Ilonggo, yes,
Ilonggo.
Bisaya.
Kasi maganda rin yung the way you say, the way you do it kasi is very very pleasant kasi you can converse and communicate sa English and the English language very efficiently and napakasarap pakinggan. At saka pag nagbisaya ka, Day, ay, naku, Day. Di ba? Ang galing, di ba? Pati pagkakasabi mo, kaya naintindihan nila no? Naintindihan naming lahat. And even in Filipino.
Bisaya din po ba?
No, pero makasabot ako or makabalo.
Makasabot ko.
Makasabot ako na jutay lang. Gamay lang
Gamay
ba? Gugma ang aking word lagi. Gugma. Yun.
Gugma.
I
Gugma is
learned.
love.
Oo. Ang dami kong nung when we were touring the country. Glamour boy kasi ako nung araw.
Oh,
My God.
Politica all the way. Politica all the way. Politica all the way.
Umuo na ba si VP na sa inyong debate? Hindi.
Wala pa naman. Pero kinokontak daw siya.
Kinokontak daw siya.
Kinokontak daw. Si Inday Tasha. Kinokontak nila si Inday Tasha. Kasi mukhang siya ang kakasa.
Yung ba sa'yo? Alam mo, bago na ito, wala naman, meron kami, we always eat in a place na favorite namin, yung Mary Grace.
Oh,
Oo, ayan, nakakatawa, ano pa sa Mary Grace yan. Meron sila dong isang, isang server,
Mm.
kamukhang-kamukha siya ni VP Sara.
Ay, talaga ba?
As in, super. Kaya, pag nagkikita ko, hi, sir. Eh, siyempre, lagi kami, uy, VP. Kaya, tawa na kami ng tawa, nakakatuwa. Oh, meron ka ba diyang, andyan ba baka pati yung Piatos or something. But anyway, nawala tuloy ako sa akin. Okay, so,
Political affiliations.
political affiliation.
Oo.
Where you're leaning towards which color?
Unang-una, ayoko talaga na nababox ako sa isang political color.
Mhm.
Kasi before 2022, ano lang yung kulay ko talagang bandila ng Pilipinas. Yun yung
Mhm.
talagang pinaglalaban ko.
Yeah.
Na ayoko na binabox tayo sa isang political color.
Mhm,
Kasi
mhm.
dapat policy-based yung
Mhm.
laban natin. So, posibleng sinusuportahan ko itong politikong ito na maybe yellow or pink.
Mhm.
Pero hindi ko siya suportado all the way. Depende sa mga pinaggagawa niya,
Oh,
di ba?
right.
Pero I aligned myself with the pink, especially nung 2021 or 2022 na,
Mhm.
nung nangampanya na si Lenny. Kasi yun yung talagang na-promote yung transparency, accountability, and good governance. At nakita ko yun when she was vice president.
Mhm.
So, yeah, I would say na I align myself with the pink movement.
The pink movement, but not necessarily the pink personalities.
Yes, na yung tipong sasabihin Lenny supporter. Kasi for me, I have this differentiation na Lenny supporter ka lang or pink. Kasi you can, lahat ng pinks, Lenny supporter.
Yeah.
I believe.
Mhm. Hindi lahat.
Well, kasi may mga when you are pink, para sa akin, you believe in transparency, accountability, and good
Right.
governance. Pero may mga tumutulak kasi ng Lenny Robredo and Sara Duterte. So, Rosa yung grupo nila.
Mhm.
So, for me, that's not pink.
Oh,
Lenny supporter
really?
ka lang, pero, kasi,
Meron ba yan? Lenny
may
and-
Rosa
Talaga?
na tumutulak noon.
Oh, okay.
Yung gusto nilang,
Before.
yeah, before.
Okay.
Gusto nilang presidente si Lenny, pero
Oh.
si Sara daw yung vice president. So for me, Lenny supporter lang yung mga yon, hindi siguro sila pink. Kasi, when,
Oh,
when
so
you
it's
look,
personal.
yeah, so parang pag sinuportaan mo kasi yung mga may, questionable, yung mga may questionable ang characteristics,
Mhm.
at hindi mo makita na, they believe in transparency.
Mhm.
Sabi niya pa nga, hindi daw importante yung honesty.
Mhm.
So, that's a question to me. So, Lenny supporter ka lang, pero maybe hindi ka pink. Kasi pag pink
Yeah.
ka, andun yun eh.
Right.
Transparency, accountability, good governance.
You know, one thing that I really, I'm sounding like a fan tuloy, no? Ang dami ko. Kasi recently ko lang nare-recall lahat. There were several instances na sinasabihan ka na debate, this is where it stemmed from na ano tayo, debate ganyan. Tapos ang dami nasabi mo lang wag na tayo diyan. Si Lenny, si Sara na agad, wag na tayong lumayo pa. Kasi that's something that is that proves to or is an indication that you really have a good head on your shoulder. Kasi sa aming mga lalaki nung araw, para lang ma-share ko sa inyo, miski sa sa gulo, magulo, no? Mapapaaway ka. Suntukan tayo, ganyan, suntukan. Hindi. Ang lagi sinasabi sa amin ng tatay namin is, wag na kayo makipag-away sa marami. Kunin nyo na lang sino matigas. O ikaw ba pinakamatigas? Hindi, tayong dalawa na lang pare. Wala nang, alam mo yung ganun And that is actually the way you did it And that's very practical and that's what we need now, practical politics. Di ba? Kami nung araw niya, dami niyo masyado. Hindi, ikaw na lang pare, ikaw ang pinakamatigas di ba? Di tayong dalawa. Ganun ang usapan sa amin ng tatay ko nung araw. So, and the way you did it was like that. So it nakakatuwa And you did it intelligently. So,
salamat.
ganun. Magpasign nga ako ng phone.
Alam,
Oh my God.
Mamaya.
Mamaya. Okay. Right now, ayun, ikaw ang daming, there are some even, lovely na, kinukuha ka for other things na, to talk, for rallies. Some are even insinuating that you can even actually run for public office. What are your thoughts on this?
Run for public office, no. Hindi ko talaga nakikita ang sarili ko sa pagtakbo
Ayan.
for office. Yeah. Hindi. Sabi nila, wag magsalita ng patapos, pero ano eh, dito yung laban ko. Dito yung laban ko sa social media, sa pagsasalita. Pero I don't really know if I should step in sa
Hindi, pero again, like I always say, but I know this famous philosopher then said that most often those who do not desire and seek for positions are mostly the ones who deserve it. Di ba? Kasi
Well, mataas kasi ang tingin ko sa institusyon ng gobyerno na alam ko na may abilities din ako, pero hindi yun sapat para talagang, be there. So, sana mapanumbalik natin yon. Kasi I really respect our institutions in the government, pero pag nakikita ko, parang ang daming bobo dyan. I mean, even hindi, feeling ko nga, you know your abilities, hindi ko nga nakikita ang sarili ko dun eh.
Sige lang.
So, ayun, parang sana ibalik natin yung respeto natin sa institusyon ng gobyerno.
Alam mo, I think I would have to agree with you on that. Kasi ngayon ko rin nakikita na talaga the heart for it is not enough eh.
Yeah.
There has to be some degree of degree tuloy na isip. There has to be some degree. Degree of intelligence. Ayan. Huwag na natin naman. There are some people naman who are very good and when they studied and graduated in the School of Hard Knocks, no? Pero, ibig sabihin, kailangan merong at least man lang yung level of practicality mo commensurate do sa degree of intelligence mo about the facts and mahirap. Basta ako naniniwala
like
dyan.
ako, I do these contents, nag-video ako. I really had to read a lot before I could produce a 6-minute video. Tapos syempre, let's say congressman or nasa Senado ka or saan man. Hindi sapat na may puso ka para sa Pilipinas. Mahal ko ang Pilipinas. I care for the people. Pero wala ako masyadong alam sa batas kasi hindi naman ako lawyer. O, kailangan mo ba maging lawyer? There are certain kasi talaga standards and I know na wala ako doon. So,
hindi, pero one thing na naman is tama naman yung sinabi mo that everything naman can be, you have to study and everything can be studied. Except that, kasi yun ang kanilang contention yung lagi ng rational nila hindi, pag-aaralan na, meron pa nga. Hindi, pagdating namin dyan, yaka ako pag-aaralan. Di ba?
saka mo pa pag-aaralan.
Oo, di ba? Sometimes, parang mainit. Parang ang ng tubig na mainit di ba? Parang pag-aaralan ko po, magano na ba kainit to? Ginaganon-ganon mo. And yet, nade-dirty na yung water kasi kakaganon mo, kakapindot mo, no? Kung gano. So, dapat talaga sabi mo nga, we respect the institution. With the respect should come the proper way of quantifying and qualifying people who will be coming in. Diba?
Exactly.
Ewan ko nga ba, bakit? Ano nangyari no? Ano nangyari sa natin? Okay, itong impeachment that is coming, di ba? You think it would be helpful to for the VP to just resign or kasi merong tawag dito chismis ngayon na magre-resign na lang daw siya para hindi siya or go on with the impeachment. What's your thoughts on this?
Well, she can do whatever she wants, but pag kasi parang nag-resign siya or halatang umiiwas siya,
Mhm.
ano siya eh, hindi magandang optics, especially when it comes to accountability.
Mhm.
Kasi non-negotiable ang accountability eh. Kahit pa sabihin na, she has these legal options naman.
Mhm.
Pero higher standard kasi ang pagtingin natin. Ito bang taong to or ito bang halal na opisyal na to ay talagang hinaharap yung mga seryosong allegations sa kanya or, umiiwas lang. Kasi actually opportunity niya na to eh para,
Right.
to prove her accusers wrong.
Mhm.
Pero I think she's just
Tala-
gonna
ah,
keep missing it.
keep
Mm.
missing it. So
Mm.
it's a missed opportunity. If
Mm.
you're
Kasi,
truly
kasi 'di ba, parang nagrereklamo siya na
Mm.
wala daw due process, hindi siya
Mm.
binigyan ng due process. So ngayon, eto na 'yun.
Mhm.
Eto na yung due process na hinihingi mo.
Mhm.
Pero wala. So,
Oh yeah, well,
mm,
point taken. That's a good
mm,
note, no? Dapat nga
mm,
naman kasi lagi naman niya sinasabi na
mm,
ano, sana maisip niya rin na, hindi, sige, tama, venue ko na to para
mm,
makita ng buong
mm,
bansa,
mm,
na sambayan ng Pilipino. Wala akong kasalanan. Wala akong
Exactly.
ano.
Actually, sa mga DDS na rin nanggaling yun eh.
Hmm.
Remember when, yun nga, nakulong si Senator Laila De Lima,
Hmm.
Congress representative.
Yeah,
Representative.
No, but she was senator when she got
She was, yeah.
Oo.
So, yun nga, she faced it. Kahit na
Mhm.
yung mga allegations sa kanya ay hindi naman totoo. Pero that was like 7 years.
Mhm.
Biruin mo yun.
Yeah.
So, ayun, sabi pa nga ng mga DDS mismo kung wala kang kinakatatakutan,
Mhm.
harapin mo.
Mhm.
So, they should tell VP Sara that.
That's
Mm.
correct. Oo nga,
Mm.
no? Tama nga naman. Kumbaga parang lagi naman, even in the work area,
Mm.
workplaces, or even in relationships, di ba?
Mm.
Ayaw mo akong kausapin eh. Bakit mo ayaw ko? Hindi, mag-usap tayo para malaman mo kung anong, ilalatag ko sa'yo kung anong nangyari. Di ba? Parang gano'n. Hindi yung pag-iwas mo. Oo nga naman, no? See, that's what I like about you. Di ba? You have different context to everything.
Politica all the way. Politica all the way. Politica all the way.
Katulad ng suot mo ngayon, parang, di ba yan ang kulay ng Duterte, ang green?
Oo nga. Sabi nga nila, uy, maka-ano ka pala, maka-Duterte ka kasi naka-green. Pag-aari nyo ba ang kulay green? Ano, kayo, pati green inaangkin nyo. Green din naman si Kiko Pangilinan. Pero ano yun parang yellow-green ba yun?
Yellow-green ba? May shades of green ba yan?
Oo. 50 Shades of Green.
May shades of, different shades of green. 50 shades of green.
Green. Darker yung green ko eh.
Darker yung green mo na yan.
Oo.
Parang ano nga tawag dito, ano ba yung dating, ano nga yung,
Squid Game.
Squid Games! Right.
Yeah,
Squid Game. So, well, it's understandable because you're married to a Korean. Pero pala, yung husband mo pala, is he, he's still a Korean now?
Yes po,
Or
he's Korean.
Is he
He's
now?
Korean. Mm.
Is he can speak Filipino na? Kasi gagaling ng mga
Konti lang. Nakakaintindi siya. Hindi mo siya mabebenta. Pero
Hindi mo
hindi
siya
pa rin siya
mabebenta.
nakakapagsalita ng straight na Filipino.
You told me you're really into cats.
Yes
you know?
po. Mm.
Oh. And so no kids at 36, and you're
Mm.
you're a very attractive young woman that can still have how many 2 or 3 or 4 children. Is this by choice?
Yes po. We decided not to have kids. Kasi syempre sa condition ko din, I have my polycystic kidney disease, tapos yung anemia ko din, hindi pa rin nasusolusyonan. So,
Okay.
risky. So, siya na rin mismo nagsabi na we don't really need to have kids.
Buti, okay
Yeah.
ka pa mag-isip dahil, di ba,
Actually, at first talagang iniyakan ko siya kasi parang I wanted to be a mom. Pero, nung na-hospital na ako at sinalina ng dugo, dun ko na-realize na parang, syempre, ayoko naman na, let's say, pag masyadong risky and then ayoko naman na iwan yung sanggol pag if
Right,
ever anong
right,
nangyari sa akin. So, parang let's not have.
Ayun,
Shades ganon.
baby mo na lang lahat ng mga nanonood sa'yo. Ano?
And then I found myself in this space. Wala silang ibabash. Kasi totoo, yung grabe ang bashing sa social media, pati anak dinadamay.
Oo nga eh.
Yes.
Di ba? Grabe yung... May nagbash ba ng mga cats mo? Wala pa.
Wala pa naman.
Wala
Wala
pa
pa naman
naman,
nagsasabi, ang pangit ng pusa mo. I'm so confident na mas maganda ang pusa ko.
Pero grabe talaga no? When you think about it, grabe yung social media. No?
Grabe.
Hindi mo... and then, sometimes, ang mas nakakainis pa doon is when you check on their profile, although ito, by God's grace, di man ako masyadong ano dyan, but when you check on their profile, yung mga nag-aaway-away, makikita mo walang profile pic. Nagtatrabaho sa Krusty Krab. Tapos Ateneo graduate. Tapos nag-ano ng Harvard. Yung ganun. These are trolls, right?
These are trolls. Pero ang mas nakakasuka, yung mga totoong tao, nang babash, nang babalahura. Tapos may Bible verse sa profile. Tapos may picture ng mga anak nila sa profile photo.
Talaga? May mga ganun, ha?
Yes, yung parang saan mo kinukuha yung kakapalan ng mukha mo. Yes, ganun sila. Let's say, pag halimbawa, disagree sila sa'yo. Tapos, ewan ko, kukuha sila ng picture ng anak mo, tapos pagtatawanan. But when you look at their profile, may mga anak din sila. So talagang, nakakasuka.
No.
Yeah, so gusto ko maging isa sa mga boses na sana wakasan yung ganitong kultura kasi parang, parang ang tagal na tayong ganito, na napakababa na ng online discourse natin, na umaabot na tayo sa insultuhan, sa pambabalahura, kabastusan. Hindi ba tayo pwedeng mag-disagree pero respectful pa din? Na may paggalang pa din.
Yun na nga, actually, yun ang nakakalungkot eh. Kasi miski kami, those mga contemporaries ko noon, I think the basic word there talaga is honor eh. You know, and again, you can disagree without being disagreeable,
Exactly.
di ba? Kahit nga hindi intelligent discourse eh. Di ba? Kahit hindi na intelihente, basta mag-usap na lang kayo na, nagbabato ko yan dito sa table, magbabato rin ako. You know, we can agree to disagree. Ika nga, no? Pero yung wala na silang masabi siya, wala na. Pangit-pangit mo kasi. Di ba parang, patutot ka. Yung mga ganun. Yung mga ganun, di ba? And sometimes, ang nakakainis doon, hindi mo sila kilala eh. Di ba? You don't even know me what I'm going through, and I'm sure you have your own struggles. But hindi mo, sana we respect each other's space, we respect each other's opinion. Di ba? Yeah.
Pero actually, I will have to say, harsh din naman ako sa mga kritisismo ko. Particularly yung mga Bisaya phrases na sa mga Bisaya, yun kasi yung ginagamit na, when parents tell you off harshly, gumagamit ako ng mga ganong terms.
Sige,
like, yung gaya-iya lang ng nawong ni mo.
Gaya-iya
is like sagging. Something is sagging. So,
sagging? Okay.
So yun, yung mga ganon. So sometimes, like let's say...
I'm sorry, pero hindi maganda yon in Bisaya? Or that's the way you say it in Bisaya?
Well, that's kind of, alam mong scolding. The person is scolding you. It could even be like, gaya-iya ra ng giti ni mo. Giti is a private part of a woman.
Okay.
But parents would tell that even to their kids. Pag lalangya-langya ka or tatanga-tanga ka, my mom would tell me that, gaya-iya ra ng giti ni mo. But, of course, sa mga Tagalog, they would be shocked na yung ganiyang language. Pero sa Bisaya kasi, hindi siya parang hindi ka nababastusan, pero you know that this person is telling you off. This person is scolding you. So, kaya siguro din naiinis sila kasi ginagamit ko yung Bisaya na familiar sa kanila. So,
pero I think, kung ano man yun, parang, tama eh, parang in the local way, parang in the vernacular ba? If you say, in Tagalog naman, I mean,
Mm.
pardon my saying this, pero
Mm.
pag sinabi, wala ka naman
Oh, yun.
supposed to be,
Yeah.
di ba? It's
Yeah.
also part of the genitals.
Yes.
Pero it doesn't mean na wala, it just means na you're a coward, no? Wala
Yeah.
kang strength of character, ganon. In the same way na ganon. Eh, kasi naalala ko naman na ito, nung ako'y nandun nandun ako sa Iloilo. Sa Iloilo, iba naman. Kahit galit na, gusto mo magsuntukan na, ito, ha? Ano akala mo, magagalit ako. Sige, gusto mo magbuntalan tayo ngayon, ha? Maganda pa rin intonation pattern, di ba?
Yes.
Well,
Pero there's,
Mm.
kahit ganon, kahit harsh yung language natin sa pag-criticize, to put emphasis, but there is a certain line that we do not cross. Hindi natin ginagawang biro ang rape. Hindi tayo, kumbaga, we don't talk lightly about murdering someone. Yun. Kasi ang mga nangyayari ngayon, sana ma-rape ka dyan sa daan. Sana mapatay ang pamilya mo ng mga adik. Pag nakita kita sa daan, papatayin kita kahit makulong ako. These are the words that, we
You
get
get those words?
I get those words. Pero actually, since 2016,
Hmm.
nakikita ko na siya online eh. Alam mo yung, kaya ito din yung rason kung bakit talagang, alam mo yung nagbo-boil siya within me. Nakikita ko lang, I was a silent observer noon eh. Until such time na talagang bumuboses na ako kahit within my own circle. Hindi ako vlogger noon eh. Even now, parang hindi pa rin ako komportable na tinatawag na vlogger. Parang it just really happened na nagta-traction yung videos ko eh. So, ayun.
Because you speak the truth and you speak from the heart. I think that's what ang evident with you. And that's very admirable again. Na ganon, lovely, no? Kasi alam mo, ako, disillusioned na ako eh. Andun na ako sa part ako masayahin tao ko, I've always been the type of person na who tries to see the positive things in most situations, kahit negative. Ako nga, itong crisis nga natin, mga pag nag-get together kami, parang taas ang gasolina. Ang sagot ko lagi is, buti nga may gasolina pa eh. Di ba? Kasi kung wala ka ng gasolina, hindi ka na makakatakbo. Kahit paano, di ba? I'm like that eh. Yung iba, nagtataka ko how people can get so negative na in the last years and in last few years. And you're saying that it has been like this ongoing and parang nag-aano siya starting from the 2016, parang na-embrace nga yata natin. I'm not saying this because of because it's not just my personal thing, but a lot of yung mga psychologists din, iba, sabi na parang nasanay tayo, na-desensitize tayo.
Yes.
With with what happened.
Kasi 'di ba, alam naman natin na pinalaki tayo na maging magalang kahit sa diskurso natin, 'di ba? Even if we disagree, we are in a democratic space at dapat respectful tayo sa isa't isa. Pero parang since naupo si former President Rodrigo Duterte, with the presidential seal and speaking on national TV ng babalahura, pati Diyos binalahura, para bang hindi ko alam kung nahawa sila or talagang itong mga taong to, ganito na talaga sila at nakahanap sila ng someone who would represent them. Nakahanap sila ng representation. So, lumakas ang loob nila na talagang isabuhay na yung ganon.
Isabuhay?
Isabuhay. Ang paging balahura.
Sad no? Sad talaga. Kasi we have, alam mo, ang mga Pilipino, we're a great nation. We have all the good natural and even human resources.
Yes.
Ang human resources natin are not just intelligent, but very, very hardworking people.
And we're known to be hospitable, magalang, magiliw.
And God-fearing. We are destroyed by a bunch of people who are in power, and those people in power who actually do not deserve it, I think, no? So, some of whom are friends of mine. May ganun.
Hala ka!
May ganun. Shook.
Alam mo, babanatan mo ngayon tapos ka-dinner mo later.
Oh my God, no? Oh, pare, oo nga.
Aha.
Hindi, pero that's one thing about me naman. Ako, hindi mo na ako, basta alam kong medyo hindi ko gusto, di ko na, hi, hello lang tayo ngayon. Pero wala ka na pag nag-invite ka na, lagi na akong busy. I'd rather drink alone. What do you do for partying? Do you ever even party?
Nung kabataan, sure, akala mo
what,
wala.
like
Nung
what?
kabataan ko, I really partied a lot.
Really?
Siguro, dahil, well, it stemmed from loneliness, I guess. Kasi,
Mhm.
di ba, nung pumanaw na yung nanay ko, actually, my mom was really my best friend. Never ako nagkaroon ng sariling kwarto.
Oh, talaga? Okay.
Never.
Oh, okay.
Until college, 18 years old, we shared our room.
Nice.
As in
But how
talaga-
many are you in the family? How many kids? How many? You have brothers,
5
sisters?
kami, pero yung ano kasi, yung dalawa kong ate, OFW,
Mhm.
tapos yung kuya ko din, yung pangatlo, may sarili na ding family.
Okay.
And tumira din siya sa amin that time.
Mhm.
Tapos yung pang-apat naman, pang-5 ako.
You're the youngest?
Yes po.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Yung
okay.
pang-apat naman, may ano na din, may
Mhm.
sariling pamilya na din that time.
Mhm.
So talagang ano kami ni mama eh.
Mommy's girl talaga.
Oo.
Okay.
Kasi 'di ba, well, nakwento ko sa'yo, yung tatay ko pumanaw na siya. But I was grade 2, so umiyak lang ako for a week. Then nakapag-move on ako agad, I guess.
Oh, okay.
Oo. Although I really treasured the memories I have with my dad. Pero mas masakit yung nawala yung nanay ko. So I really
Oh.
kind of lost my direction.
Oh, okay.
So yun yung rason ng pagpa-party-party ko.
Mhm.
Kasi parang hindi ko kayang, tawag nito, hindi ko kayang conscious ako ng hindi umiiyak, ganon.
Mhm,
So I
mhm.
would drown myself in alcohol,
Mhm.
party, para
Mhm.
ma-distract.
Mhm.
Kasi gusto kong man-numb,
Oh,
yung
yeah,
ganon.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
that was my younger years. Pero,
Mhm.
syempre, pinagsawaan na natin yun. When
Yeah,
when I regained my life through God
Mhm.
and
Amen.
faith. So parang nawalan na rin ako ng, well, I still drink, pero not to the point of being wasted.
Okay. You drink na lang, not just with 12 people or
Yeah, with friends.
hindi apostles, 12. Mga ganun. What do you drink? What do you do? What do you drink? Are you a beer drinker or
beer.
beer?
Yeah.
Beer na nga,
San
eh, no?
Miguel.
Oh,
Walang
San Miguel.
endorsement. May endorsement ba to?
Oh my God, no? Oh, no, pero ano kasi, actually, talagang you deserve, we all deserve a time there's a time to party, there's a time to be tawag dito serious, di ba? And time for fun. And that's what life is all about, di ba? Kailangan to have a balance of everything.
Politica all the way. Politica all the way. Politica all the way.
We have a name drop here. Ang bilis ng oras kasi
Oo
laging
nga.
but sige. Okay, this is how it works, Lovely, no? Yeah, I will say a name, I'll drop a name, and then what comes to your mind, first thing, you let me know. Okay?
Okay po.
You blurt it out. Wala tayong ano rito, ha?
Sige po.
All right. Ronald Llamas.
Itay. Charot.
Itay ko po!
Itay.
Ron, pare ko. Itay. Sasot.
Traidor sa bayan.
Traidor sa bayan. Okay. Attorney Jesus Falsis, si Jess.
Go na go tayo.
Dapat pa si Attorney Falsis, meron gumagano.
Go na go.
May ganun. Okay. Tio Moreno.
Igit.
Ano? Ayun.
Igit gamipilit sa inyong haligi.
Okay. So, hindi ko lang. Okay. Vico Soto.
Giting ng Pasig.
Giting ng Pasig.
Giting ng
Are you from Pasig? Yun,
Yes
di
po.
ba?
Yes po.
Okay. Isko Moreno.
Yorme, kumusta ang Maynila?
Ano si Yorme? Okay. Jinggoy Estrada.
You're not safe, man.
Hindi ka pa safe. Okay. Joel Villanueva.
Joel is Lord movement.
Joel!
Huwag ginagamit ang Diyos, ha? Nakakasok ka.
O di ka pa safe part 2.
Oh, di ka pa safe part.
Ganun ba yun?
Oo.
Okay. Riza Hontiveros.
Matapang, may paninindigan.
Bam Aquino.
Ideally. Ideally. Uy, saludo tayo dyan.
Ideally.
Education.
Okay. Bong Suntay.
Bawal ang bastos dito.
Bawal ang bastos. Okay. Speaker Boji D.
I'll have to read more about him, actually.
Okay. Medyo silent lang no?
I'll have to read more about him.
Sound of silence.
Sound of silence. I'm
okay.
watching you.
Sandro Marcos.
Sandro, doubtful ako sa'yo noon, pero parang nagpapakitang gilas ka ngayon. So, let's see.
Okay. Robin Padilla.
Hoy! We don't deserve you. Tama si Mariel.
Oh my God. Okay, last two. VP Sara.
Good luck sa impeachment. And see you sa debate. Umaasa
okay.
pa rin.
Okay.
Sino ka ba?
BBM.
BBM, tulungan mo kaming magtiwala sa'yo.
Help me help you.
Help us trust you. Amen.
All right, thank you very much, Lovely. Dito naman tayo sa after name drop, Lovely. Yung song naman. What is yung prayer and song for the country? At saka yung favorite song mo na rin. Yun ang gusto ko marinig.
Okay. Well, lagi ko nga itong sinasabi. Kasi hindi ko siya makanta ng maayos, so nire-recite ko siya sa ibang interviews. Pero ayun, yung bandang chorus ng Rosas ni Miss Nika Del Rosario.
Okay. So ano yan?
Parang ito yung, kumbaga, isa sa mga signature songs ng campaign ni Madam Leni Robredo. Pero naniniwala ako na hindi lang ito about Leni This is the heart of every Filipino na nagmamahal sa bayan.
Yeah. Well, this time recite it with the tune. Okay,
Sige.
ladies and gentlemen, eto na po. Lovely Granada with Rosas.
At hindi ko may papangako ang kulay rosas na mundo para sa'yo at hindi ko may lawan ang lahat ng anino. Pero sisikapin ko at hindi ako papahinga hanggat hindi mo pa magawang muling ipagmalaki na ikaw ay isang Pilipino.
Ayan nga ba sinasabi ko eh. You know, when you hear it from ayan na, naiiyak na ako. When you hear it from someone who really feels it and from the heart, may timo kahit pero mas maganda siguro yun kung na-recording natin.
Lagi nga nilang sinasabi, hanggang kailan ko daw kayang gawin to, or actually hindi ko alam Hindi ko rin talaga alam kung hanggang kailan ako boboses, pero ang alam ko lang ngayon, hanggat may boses ako at may hininga tayo at may natitirang pagmamahal para sa bayan.
Ang ganda yan, ma.
Hindi tayo mapapagod.
Yeah. Well, dapat there should never be a limit to goodness, and goodness of heart, especially if it's for the country. Mabuhay po kayo.
Mabuhay po.
Lovely.
At mabuhay ang lahat ng Pilipino.
Pilipino.
Na nagmamahal sa
And good luck
bayan.
on your debate, ha?
Ay, hindi, Tasha. Nasaan ka na?
Lovely Granada sa Politika All the Way.
Politica all the way.
Ay, maraming salamat po muli to Lovely for being in the program. Just a bit of recap po. Sabi niya po, siya ay wala actually political color, niya ma-box in. Mas sinusundan niya po sa puso niya yung political policies and ideology. Yan po ang gusto. And pagdating naman po sa mga bashers, nagiging personal na daw po at hindi nagiging issue. It's all about personal na. No? So nagiging personal na sila. And then, lastly, ang kanyang go-to song is, yun din po yung nasa puso niya, yung Rosas. Sabi ni Lovely rin, hindi siya magpapahinga hanggat hindi mo pa magawang muling may pagmalaki na ikay isang Pilipino. And that's her advocacy. That's what's in her heart. Okay? At dyan po nagtatapos ang Politika All the Way. Lagi po nating tatandaan, diskusyon po lamang ito, hindi po away. Opinion lang hindi personalan. This is Jojo A. Peace and love.
Politika all the way. Politika all